Alright, people, let's speak about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Leaks are piling up as the debut date approaches, which is likely early next year. But, here's the thing, they are not exactly setting the internet on fire. First, consider the battery. According to rumors, the battery size will be the same as last year's. Nothing new, nothing flashy. And now we have some new information on the telephoto camera. And it's not exactly a game changer either. According to Galaxy Club, the S26 Ultra will include a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The sensor size, pixel size, PDAF, OIS, and everything else remain the same. Does this sound familiar? That's because it's the exact same telephoto camera as the S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra. Yep, 3 years in a row. Before we start complaining, there is a silver lining. There's still a chance that the S26 Ultra may include 2 telephoto cameras, with this 50-megapixel one being one of them. The second one has yet to be revealed. Maybe that's where Samsung is concealing a lucrative update. Remember the stories about a 200-megapixel ISO sensor used for telephoto? Still not fully off the table, so fingers crossed. The remainder of the camera arrangement appears to be more of the same. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide from the S25 Ultra is likely to remain, while the primary sensor is expected to be the same 200-megapixel one. Not terrible, but not really exciting if you were looking for a significant jump forward. There is, nevertheless, some hope. Earlier rumors stated that Samsung would bring back variable aperture, as well as thinner camera modules to give the phone a more elegant appearance. But, as previously stated, nothing has been confirmed, so take everything with a grain of salt, or even the entire salt shaker. The S26 Ultra will face off against the impending iPhone 17 Pro Max. And if Apple is indeed working on substantial camera advancements, Samsung will need to step up its game. Because, let's be honest, if the S26 Ultra simply reuses the same camera arrangement for the third year in a row, fans may not be delighted. Don't get me wrong, the current sensors are still quite good, but when you're spending flagship-level money, you expect something fresh and interesting, right? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.